What's going on, guys? Well, today in the shop we've got something different. We have got a John Deere tractor bucket that we got to weld some hooks on. Show you what we're talking about. So right here we've marked them off. We're going to weld them on, and we got two to weld on. We've got them marked. So we're going to do some grinding and some cutting, and we're going to go from there. Y'all follow along. We'll be back. All right, so we got these hooks welded on. We gotta go get some John Deere green paint. We'll be good to go. Appreciate y'all watching. Go in reverse. What's going on this morning, guys? It is officially the day after Christmas. Of course, I don't know about all y'all. Some of us got sick over the Christmas holidays. Got a chest cold, this dang weather. Going from hot to cold, getting cold, and then, good Lord. Anyway, I just want to give you an update. Got the bucket done. Worst paint job ever, worst paint can ever. I get a can of John Deere green spray paint and it leaks and drips, and more paint came out spraying, or not spraying, but dripping than it did spraying. Anyway, we're gonna go deliver this today. This wasn't a local, when I say local, I mean this wasn't mine to do. This was for a friend of mine. He asked me to do some welding for him. So, yeah. But anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. We are gonna load this up on the truck and take it back up towards, well, we're gonna go up north a little ways, but, yep, and then I'm gonna come back and take some more medicine and we'll go from there. And, sorry, no cheese grater action this week. With Christmas being here, my money had to go elsewhere, so I didn't get any parts for it yet. There's still some stuff we can do, but I got to get the brakes done, and I'm gonna get the brakes done before I do anything. But guys, I appreciate y'all watching. 2023 has been a hell of a year. I think we're at 441 subscribers. I'm really trying to make it to 500 by the end of the year. Doesn't look like I'm gonna make it, but I appreciate y'all that have subscribed. And yep, we'll see y'all again. Take care. Hope y'all have a happy holidays and happy new year. See ya.